Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to start by accessing device's settings. In them, scroll all the way down. Now click on About Phone section at the bottom. Then click on device name over here under Basic Info and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Moon. Now you need to click on OK in this pop-up and tap on OK in this one as well to save your changes. As you can see after that, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!